Today I'm going to show you how to put an image inside of text in Photoshop. The first step is go to File and create a new document. Make the width 5,903 pixels. The height 3,935. The resolution 300 pixels inch. The color mode RGB color 8-bit. And the background color white. Then click Create. Select the horizontal type tool. Go to Window and choose the character. The font, I'm using the Bebas Neue. The font style, regular. The font size, 615. And the text color, black. Close the character panel. Click on your document and type out your text. Press Ctrl-Enter to commit a text. Select the Move tool. And position the text in the center. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the snow photo. Go to Layer panel. Then right-click and choose the Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl-T to select the Free Transform tool. Drag the photo to a position you like. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Select the background layer. Then create a new layer. Rename the layer Shadow. Hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of the text layer to make a selection around the text. Click the foreground color and choose the black. Then click OK. Press Alt-Delete to fill the selection with black. Select the Move tool again. Drag a shadow down a little, like so. Remove selection, go to Select and deselect. Go to Filter, Blur and choose the Motion Blur. Make the angle 50 degree. And the distance 100 pixels. Go back to Filter, Blur, and choose the Gaussian blur. Increase the radius to 18 pixels. Then click OK. Decrease the opacity to 55%. Select the background layer again. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the gradient. Click to edit the gradient box. Open the Basics preset folder and choose the foreground to transparent. Change the style to radial. The angle 25 degree. The scale 100%. And the reverse, check the box. Then click OK. Decrease the opacity to 75%. Select the top layer. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the snow dots photo. Change the blend mode to screen. Click and drag handles to resize and position you like. When you're happy with your photo's size and position, hit Enter or Return on the keyboard. And this is the result.